guys, it's Brooke. Welcome back to my lifestyle channel. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do a ton of fashion content and some nursing videos. Yes, so today I'm going to be reviewing some jewelry. I have some gold jewelry. Most of it is from James Avery. I've never had any designer jewelry. So for my anniversary, my husband, shout out to my husband, he bought me a Gucci gold ring. So yes, my husband got me some gold jewelry from Gucci. Let's start off with the price. Price was about $915. This is real gold, and let's go ahead and bring it out so you guys can see. It comes in this little bag. In the bag, a little holder, and this ring is custom made, so it's made to fit my finger. I wanted it to be on my pointer finger because I already have a gold ring, so I wanted it to be on my pointer finger. It was custom made and it took a few weeks to get to me. When you open it up, it's a closer look. Super cute. And let's go ahead and try it on. So the ring is not too wide. It has a little double G charm on it, and the ring is not flimsy. I wasn't sure how flimsy it would be. I was kind of nervous about that, but the ring fits great. It's not flimsy. The charm does move though, so sometimes the charm will be on the side, so you have to adjust it. Take a look. I have the G towards me, and I will give you a close-up. A better close-up. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have. That's my first fine jewelry purchase from a designer store. I really like it. It's high quality gold, real gold. It's super cute. I just realized I put it on my wrong finger after I told you guys where I put it on. It does fit my middle finger, but I have it right here. I will give you guys a close-up in a minute. But like I said, this is my first fine jewelry purchase. I absolutely love it. Super cute. Also, this is an 18 karat gold ring. And like I said, it is not flimsy. It's made in Italy. And I will give you guys a close-up. And that's pretty much all I have to say. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks guys.